And the Oscar goes to Parasite.
Hi dear friends, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have a news, and our news is about a Korean movie. Korean movie wins Best Oscar. The South Korean movie Parasite won the Oscar for the Best Picture on Sunday, which means that it was the first non-English language movie to win the top prize. It also was the first movie from South Korea to get a nomination at the Oscar. Before the Oscars, Parasite also won awards at the Cannes Film Festival, the Screen Actors Guild, and the British Academy of Film and Television Arts. Director Bong Joon-ho said that the movie is a continuation of all the Korean films that came before. It is an extension of our history. The movie is about class struggle between the rich and poor. This is the end of our news. Thank you very much for watching. For our support, please subscribe and leave your lovely comments. Bye.